Here is just a little sample of how they turn out. And this is one of the book covers. We're going to be doing very similar to this. And let me introduce this product to you. It is a product of Wonderfil, and it comes totally ready for you to embellish and put together. Everything we need is included in here. Our clasp, our instructions, our pockets, and a mesh bag to go inside of it. So this can hold a whole lot of stuff, and I can't wait to get started on it. I did make a mark right in the center, so I know exactly where the center of my circle is. I'm going to make an 8 reference line crosshair on it. Now, I'm going to go ahead and line myself up, starting in the center, of course. There we go. Pull my bobbin thread up. I do like to do that. And this is our last rotation. And I'm sure you can see just how beautiful this template is. It makes our designs look so very intricate, and yet it's so easy to do. And now I'm just going to clip these threads off. And here we go. This is our first design. Isn't it beautiful? I absolutely love this template.